Hi guys, welcome to Mishy Blue Tarot. Welcome to my channel. This is Neelam, and I'm back for all of you guys with another reading today. Uh, After a long time, at least a week, I guess. So today I'm doing the weekly check-in that I do. What are your person's current energies at this point towards you and towards the connection? I have just picked up one oracle card to see the overall theme, as in what exactly is this person feeling, and I'll be picking up more tarot cards to see a little more deeper into the situation. Um, Whatever comes through. All right. So, guys, while watching this, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So, please take what resonates and leave what does not. Okay. All right. So, I'll just take you through the piles. Pile number 1 is the amethyst. Pile 2 is the black obsidian, and pile 3 is the amazonite. Alright, so you can pause the video, think about your person, think about your situation, and go ahead and pick your piles. I'll pause for like 2-3 seconds. Alright, so we'll start with number 1, the amethyst. Okay, so whoever chose this crystal, amethyst, let's see. What are your person's current energies towards you? Moonlight. This person has deep-rooted fears. This person is right now very, very triggered by your thoughts and by the thought of even something going wrong. As in, not about only you. In general, this person is very, very scared of things going out of their hands. And it has happened to them in the past. So this person really cannot get out of their past. They've been waiting for something to happen in their life, and they're hopeful, but at the same time, they are not exactly letting go of the past. So the problem is that this person is in the energy of being scared. That's what I pick up. This person has a way out, but right now he or she is not able to see through the way. This person is alone, doesn't want to talk much, in fact doesn't trust people that much. I see this person being very closed off, and not exactly telling what they feel. But again, even with that energy, this person is hopeful. It's not like this person has given up on hope. This person is hopeful that things will become better in the future, and they feel that yes, it will happen and things will become better. So you are like their ray of hope, although you trigger them a lot as well. But then this person wants to be around you. The fear, the scare, the hope, all of it is combined over here. That's what I'm seeing at this point. Let's see what else is this person currently thinking and feeling for you and this connection. What else is this person currently thinking and feeling about you? Ten of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, Knight of Wands, and one more. Page of Swords. Okay. So here I see that this person definitely has a dream which gets more and more. So the moment this person sees you, their dream they start dreaming. They feel that yes, I too can have something like this, or I too can be happy. But then this whole Nine of Swords thingy is about this person's fears. Constantly, the past comes into the picture. Constantly, their fears. I mean, if it is not the past, then this is just their insecurities that come into the picture, and they get really scared that maybe again things will repeat and again I will be in that spot. Although the push is very strong, this person has a lot of ideas to talk to you about. This person wants to move forward, but again, what pulls them back is fear. And this fear is quite deep rooted. This fear is something that this person is not able to get over, even if they try, even if they try to hide themselves, try not to express too much. I mean, it's not like this person is given up that, okay, I will always dwell in this fear. No. This person wants to come out of that fear, but is not really able to come out of the fear and the anxiety that they've been going through. This person seems to be quite determined towards you, but it is the inner battle that I'm talking about. Inside, it's a very big thing for you. Maybe you don't know what it takes for this person to actually even talk to you properly, or because this person is so triggered by you, very triggered by you. Let's see what else is this person currently thinking and feeling. What else is this person currently thinking and feeling? Knight of Cups, the Sun, and the High Priestess. So here what I pick up is that this person feels this connection to be very strong at this point. And this person doesn't want to lose you, okay? This person doesn't want to lose you. But yes, I think I have Death in the bottom and then Five of Pentacles. So this person feels a very strong bond with you, but then again, it triggers them about their past, and this person is not able to come out of that energy very easily, okay? This person is planning, I guess, to make an offer towards you, to come towards you and tell you how they feel. This person is very romantically connected with you, I can see, and you make them feel alive, okay? And I also see a very strong telepathic connection between the two of you existing right away, because this person cannot really ignore the fact that you form such a big bond, and it is so strong for this person that it is irresistible. In the past, I think this person has been able to resist these feelings with other people, but now it is very difficult for this person. They can't resist the feelings that they have for you. Let's see, what else are they thinking and feeling for you? What else is this person thinking and feeling for you? Birds. Alright, so I'm seeing that this person is willing to take a risk, but right now the path is yet to be decided. Like, this person wants to fly, but they also want safety. So this person is looking for a mid path. Like, maybe, for example, in the past, this person might have opened up fully to someone and it didn't work out in their favor. So now this person is trying to be very, very patient and not really. So they are somewhere in between. They don't want to give in 100% and they don't want to even like lose out on you, because the feelings are very beautiful and the emotions are running very high. So this person wants to look for a mid path. They want to come forward and they want to do something with you, but at the same time, they don't want to be very, very vulnerable. That's where they are. And that is, I mean, I can see this whole energy of this person be wanting to be at a distance. Okay. So now let me just see what is the advice for you here. What is the advice for you here? Pile 1. The hand of fate. Forces beyond your control intervene. Okay. So the point is that, okay, if you're trying to fight this connection, then please don't, because this is not in your hands. Okay. And the path ahead for this connection is a lot to be planned by destiny or the universe. However, I don't see it to be negative. So if till now the outcome or whatever you've been wanting hasn't happened the way you want it, just let it be. It is not supposed to happen that way. Okay. Things are being aligned and things are being put into place for you. So relax. You don't have to do anything here. That's one core message that I get. All right. So that's what I have for you, pile 1. I hope this reading helps. I kept it short because we're looking at their energies. So let me know in the comments if this resonated for you, and private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I shall see you soon with more readings. Take care. Bye. All right. So let's move to pile number 2. Whoever chose this black obsidian. So I've picked up one oracle card to see what exactly is this person going through at the moment. And I'll be picking up more tarot cards and other cards to see what exactly is the message for you here. Alright, so let's see what are your person's current energies. Heal the ouch. Okay, so this person looks up to you at this point. This person feels a sense of a connect with you. They look up to you in the sense that, okay, sometimes this can be a feeling of taking something for granted, which is not very good. This person is someone who is trying to work on themselves, and it is being pushed because of you. And they want you to be around them because you are the reason why all of this is happening, and they understand this thing. Okay, this person is very, very connected to you in a lot of levels. You're like a spiritual doctor for this person in a lot of ways. I also feel somehow this person never felt this way before for anyone else. You kind of have that energy of having all the tools, equipments, paraphernalia to help this person become a better version of themselves, and they can give in. Like, the feeling is that they can surrender in front of you and they know that they will not be harmed. Okay, that's the energy that I see for this person. All right, so let's see what else is this person currently thinking and feeling for you. What else is this person currently thinking and feeling for you? The Emperor. The World. This looks to me like an empress, but yeah. 3 of Pentacles. Two of Wands. So this goes a lot with today's Instagram reading. Maybe you can check it out. It's Mishi Blue Tarot _official. Also, guys, there's a lot of fake accounts. I don't know, but mine, you'll be able to understand which one is my genuine one. The link is there in the description, so you can check it out. Okay, so here I'm seeing that if there was any kind of a third party situation that is coming to an end, because this person is quite determined now and they see sort of a future with you. This person wants to move in the direction of being completely with you because this person has a lot of attachment with you now, I would say. They're able to see some kind of a whistle-blowing moment that, okay, there is some hope in the fast-forward future or something. And this person wants to keep it very simple and not complicate things between the two of you because this person feels a sense of a very strong bond and connection with you. Okay? This person likes to be with you, spend time with you. I am also seeing that this person is quite a control freak. Maybe whenever they are around you or you're around them, this person would want to take charge of things, basically. This person doesn't want to or doesn't want you to be... It's not in a bad way that, you know, this person doesn't want you to take charge at all. It's not that. It's just that this person wants to keep you tension free. They feel that way. And this person feels that, you know, you are supposed to be pampered and given all the love that you deserve. This person wants to work on this situation. I am actually seeing the word work very strongly. So yes, this person wants to work on the situation and take you, make things work out with you. Okay? Let's see what else. What else is this person currently thinking and feeling about you? Two of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Three of Swords. Okay. So this person, yes, I have a feeling there are three people involved here. Either this person has somebody else in their life as well, which has to be dealt with. However, they know that you are like a new ray of hope that the universe is offering to them. But again, the whole decision making is killing this person. Okay? Maybe they are stuck at a phase where at this junction or at this point, this person doesn't really know if they can do this. But again, as I said, that they still don't want to lose you. And still they're not taking a decision. They want to come out of it. That thing is there, but the want is there, but the work, I'm not very sure. They do want to do this. I still see them in the Two of Swords. So it's like a feeling that, okay, let me just see how long can I pull this. Like, it's that energy. This person knows that you are like a new offer from the universe, and that's a really big thing. This person knows that. Let's see, what else are the current thoughts and feelings for you? The Ring. Wow. This person deeply feels that you're some sort of a soulmate of theirs and they feel a very, very strong divine connection with you. This person wants to take it to the next level, and not being able to do it breaks their heart. It just breaks their heart, and I told that to you. This person wants to move forward with you. They really want to, and they're quite determined because I saw the Emperor card. This person sees a future, definitely sees a future with you. So at the moment, I feel that this person will somewhere make it a little clear that yes, they want you, but there are other factors here involved which have to be taken care of, and they're aware of it. I think they will look at resolving those factors. Let's see what's an advice for you here, pile 2. What is the advice for you here? The Mystic Circle. Your abilities will be enhanced. And the King, authority and diplomacy. This person will definitely tell you how they're feeling. I think within a span of 4 to 5 months, you can expect this communication from them. And I have a feeling you already sense it, that this person is there. They are involved with you at a deeper level, and it makes them feel very, very strongly connected to you. But maybe you don't want to accept it right now. You could be having your reasons, which is totally okay. All right. This person is slowly getting there. This person is slowly reaching that point of being all with you completely. All right. So that's what I have for you, pile 2. Let me know in the comments if this resonated with your situation. Quite a beautiful reading. But yeah, there are some complications here, which is something that I feel that this person is willing to deal with. So let me know in the comments if this resonated. Private readings are open. Details are there in the description box below. Also, I have 2 accounts on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals. So do let me know. Take care, and I shall see you soon. Bye. Alright, so now let's move to pile number 3, the final pile, the Amazonite, whoever chose this crystal. So I've picked up one oracle card to see the overall theme as to what is this person feeling right now. So let's see, what are this person's energies towards you? Come together. Do I need to say anything? This person is dreaming. This person wants to, for a lot of you, I feel this person wants to be physically close to you. This person is dreaming of a life together, dreaming of oneness. For some of you, I feel this person wants to have a child with you, or maybe just some form of unity I'm seeing. This person feels that you are a very good match for them somehow, and they connect with you in a very strong level. This person feels a sense of attachment. I'm also seeing that somewhere this person has started to believe in certain things which they did not in the past, and that is all because of you. This person feels that both of you together can help each other grow in a lot of ways. This person could be also wanting to meet you. And I feel maybe 26th of this month or 8th of October or something, I feel that you guys might land up meeting. And this meeting is going to be very beautiful. Let's see, what else are the current energies for you? What are they currently thinking and feeling? What are they currently thinking and feeling? 2 of Swords. The Hanged Man. The Sun. This person is reaching some sort of a conclusion which was very difficult for them. I have the Emperor and the Star. So now I'm seeing that this person is quite sure that you are their wish fulfillment, and this person wants to work on this connection now. If they were not, then now I feel that this person would want to take some action towards you. Although, yeah, I do see that this person would want to be with you for good, because the feelings are very nice, and they feel very connected to you at a very deeper level. So this person wants to be as much close to you as they can, is what I am seeing. This person is also willing to face the demons associated with this connection. They don't want to give up on this connection just like that. Okay? This person wants to face any kind of obstacles that are coming, because this person truly believes in this connection. They have been awakened, is what I'm seeing. They know that the happiness that you give them, they might not get it from anywhere else. Let's see, what else is this person currently thinking and feeling? What else is this person currently thinking and feeling? Just 1 second. What else is this person currently thinking and feeling? Page of Pentacles, Six of Wands, Queen of Swords. They want to win you over. That's what I'm seeing. They want you to feel happy, and they want you to also kind of, if maybe you haven't been showing your feelings of late, then this person really wants you to open up. And they know that you are very tough, and they really understand why you are like that. But this person wants you to be soft with them because they know that you're soft at heart. So they don't really want you to lose their softness, because this person is so much into you, I can see, because they feel a very strong intuitive connection for sure, and they want to make this happen. That's one major thing that I'm seeing here. I also feel somewhere that this person, as I said, that they would want to give you something, meet you, and make things work out like a regular relationship. Okay, let's see what else are they thinking and feeling about you. For some of you, I feel this person feels a past life connection with you, very strong. And there you go. This person wants to propose to you. They want to be with you. Okay? And this might come as a message to you very soon. Okay? This person doesn't want to give up on you at all. And I'm saying that because I see a very strong feeling of this person sensing a past life bond with you, which is unbreakable. This person wants to live a life with you. Let's see what is the advice for you here, pile 3. The Raven. For pile 3, I feel that you also have some issues attached to towards accepting this connection. There are some issues here, I can see that. But then again, you're being advised to use your psychic abilities, your intuition, to know if you really want to move forward or not. Because I'm seeing that, yes, there are some tough calls that even you will have to take. So are you ready to do that? Ask yourself and then proceed. Okay? And if you're confused as to whether you can or cannot, then it is just that you know you can. But you will have to listen to your intuition for guidance as much as possible. Because this person is planning to come forward and make a big move towards you is what I'm seeing. Okay? So you will have to take that call basis your intuition if you want to go ahead or not. Alright, so that's what I have for you guys, pile 3. I hope this reading helps you. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I shall see you soon with more readings. Take care and talk to you soon. Bye.